Yeah, I went shopping today. Hello folks, my name is Eric and welcome to Pop's Video. And in this bag I have something special for you today. We're going to do an unboxing of a really cool gadget, and as I said in my other videos, love those gadgets. So if you like what you see, please don't forget, press that like button, please subscribe, and oh, by the way, turn on that notification bell because you don't want to miss the next one. Okay, here it is. This is what was in the bag. I'm gonna have a seat here and so we can get started. Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. There it is. It's the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Combo, and it's a Steadicam device for the iPhone. Now, I've never had one of these before and I'm excited to give it a shot. In this video, however, I'm not going to go through all the technical specifications and that sort of stuff because Lord knows there's been plenty of videos out there already of this device. It's been out there for several months, but hey, for me, it's a new toy. A new toy is a new toy. Like I said in my intros, gotta love those gadgets, right? So I'm gonna get myself a knife and get through this plastic. It's showing a bit of glare from the ring light, so I'm sure that's annoying to you guys. So let's get this underway. Be right back. All right, so I got some tools here. Let's get right into it. By the way, you may be already asking, well, how much are one of those? I got it from the Apple Store. It was 139 bucks. And you may be able to buy it somewhere cheaper. And if you did, good for you. Nothing wrong with that. Ooh. Not so much glare now. It's a little bit better, huh? How many of you like keeping boxes? Not me. Boxes get in the way. They become a fire hazard too in your house. You know, look at all this stuff. Usually catch fire, cause some issues in your house. So we're gonna throw that away. Get to the good stuff. Cool case that it comes with. Don't need that. I imagine this may be a charging device. Yep, may need that. May not need that. May need that. Some cables, looks like some dampeners. Definitely need this. This is the base that turns it into a tripod. So that'll work. Got to have one of those, right? Well, for the price that I paid, excuse me, at $139, this is what you get, and you get this really cool carrying case. So I think it goes for 119 bucks without this and the carrying case. Don't need that. Don't need that. Ooh, nice little tote sack or bag, whatever you want to call it. So may need that, not sure. All right, let's get into it. Everybody's been waiting for this, right? Let's tear into this bad boy. Well, we're not going to tear into it. We don't want to tear it up. But hey, look at that. Ooh. Let me hear it again. Ah, that's cool. Don't need that. So as I understand, the newer version has this collapsible gizmo here that folds up for easy storage and transport. So that's nice. What I like about this, it's really futuristic looking, isn't it? And as I said, you know, the joy is in creativity, not in criticism. So some of you may or may not like this design, but check out the line work and the curvatures and all the fun stuff. You know, as a designer, this would have been pretty cool to put together in a 3D design program or started out with sketches and such. So yeah, a lot of fun looking parts and pieces to this thing. I can't wait to get started with it. So it's probably not working. Obviously, you need to charge it up. So, and I think it needs to be calibrated and balanced for the usage of an iPhone. But hey, it's cool stuff. Oh, that's cool. That's easy. Check it out. There you go. We won't be needing that. I'm sure we're going to take that thing off. USB charging port here. That's why you need that, right? This guy. And let's try this here while we are still online. That goes like that, like that, like that. Kind of reminds me of the SpaceX rocket boosters that come down from when they take off, if you will, over in Canaveral. Kind of strange angle. You can't really see it if you do this, get the phone away, but that's how it looks. Yeah, cool. Very ergonomic, easy to hold. Yeah, cool. I think they did a good job. You know, I saw one of these at CES this year in Vegas in 2020 here, January, and I was on the fence about buying one of these, but afterwards using my GoPro Steadicam and sometimes how cumbersome that can be. You go from Steadicam to GoPro to iPhone to Steadicam to your larger cameras to Steadicam. You know, the Sony 6300 that I use here, I also could use a Steadicam because I don't have the most stable of hands, obviously. Hey, as you get older, you get the shakes. You get a little, it's a little more tougher to keep things like that steady. But yeah, great job, DJI. Yeah, fun stuff. Tell me what you think. Press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and ling, 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 ling. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell. And that keeps you in the know about the next videos here at Pop's Video. Alright, this is it. I say it's a winner. If you want more information on technical specification, hey, here's the books. You can read through all that stuff. Or you can pick up the box and enjoy reading the back of the box. You know, I do that sometimes. It's got all that stuff. And when you go online at their website, certainly can give you a lot more information that I'm going to share here, because again, you guys surf around on the YouTube channel, you can really find more in-depth understanding and reading and learning of how this thing works. So I just like to hook it up and just get going, you know. That's just how I roll. Fun stuff. Hope you like it. That's it. Go away. Bye-bye now. Pop's Video out.